Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to implement screen sharing. I successfully ran this application on a real device, and boom! As you can see, the stream of the local participant starts when we toggle screen share. You can see the UI pop up, and I will start broadcasting now. This is how my screen sharing will look. I will just tap the button again to stop screen sharing, and I will receive the stop screen sharing pop up again. Okay, this is the result in the iOS app using the VideoSDK, which is super useful for presentations, demos, and remote troubleshooting. Now, let's head over to the documentation, as you can see on the screen. Here you'll find everything you need, including how screen sharing works under the hood, the required Xcode setup, how to trigger it from your application, and everything that's necessary. These docs clearly explain that you need to add a broadcast upload extension, set it up in app groups, and configure it in the info.plist file. You can view and customize the screen broadcast name to whatever you want to provide. Don't worry, we'll go over all of this in working examples. So next, let's clone this SwiftUI example, which you can find in the description link. I have already cloned this example, and I will show you in my Xcode. This is what the example looks like. This is the main screen's features. There is a structure that looks like screens, including meeting view and the start view. The start view is going to be the entry point of the application, where you can provide the meeting ID and enter your name. You can join an existing meeting or start a new one. In the meeting view, this is where the video call and UI appear. There will be a controller for screen sharing, including a toggle button to enable or disable screen share. The Enable Screen Share checks if screen sharing is already active. This triggers the iOS system broadcast speaker, and when you want to stop screen sharing, you will call this separate function from the toggle button. And that's it. The SDK handles the rest, including the stream and sharing with the other participants. Now, before we run this example, we need to go to the VideoSDK app dashboard. You can access this URL, videosdk.live dashboard. In the API key section, we need to generate the token. In the action menu, select Generate Token. I will set the expiry to 7 days, and I'll generate the token now. Now I will copy this token. Head back to the example. In the Meeting View controller file, paste the generated token into the token field to run the application. Now we have our token in the Meeting View controller file. Build and run this app on a real device, since screen sharing won't work in the simulator. So let's proceed and run this on a real device. As you can see, the stream of the local participant starts when we toggle screen share. You can see the UI pop up, and I will start broadcasting now. This is how my screen sharing looks. I will tap the button again to stop the screen sharing, and I will receive the stop screen sharing pop up again. Okay. That's how easy it is to add native screen sharing to an iOS app using the VideoSDK. From reading the docs to cloning the example and generating the token from the dashboard, it's all pretty straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to VideoSDK Live channel for more amazing tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and join our Discord community. Thank you for watching.